Hey, what's up guys, it's Jeff Cowboy again here. I wanted to show you how your brake pads or your brake system can cause you poor gas mileage on your car. So I just replaced my brake pads, as you can see here, and not because the brake pads are worn out. As you can see, they're still in a good condition, but I want to show you one of the reasons why I changed these brake pads and why this vehicle was costing me extra more on fuel. And it's because there is a brake mechanism behind here that when you press the brakes they hold, and when you release the brake pads it's supposed to go back and release the wheel to keep moving. But in my situation it was not releasing, and therefore they are causing a lot of friction. When I took up my wheel, or when I lift up the vehicle, I try to rotate the vehicle, the wheel like this, it was barely moving. So right now it's moving, and let me show you why this was the issue. These pins, these bolts right here, as you can see, they are in very poor condition. This rubber right here, it was completely worn out, and to take these bolts out, it was tough, super tough, because of the rust. They supposed to be lubricated, there was no lubrication. Now I had to go buy a new bolt, but they don't come with this rubber here. So these are the new bolts. As you can see, I just installed that rubber, but you have to buy this whole kit just to get that little rubber right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all these four boots. These are the old boots. I'll replace it because the whole kit comes like that, and all I needed was just that tiny piece so I can install it on the new bolts. So these bolts are supposed to be lubricated because they are slide pins. Every time you press the brakes they compress and retract. So let me show you the other side, how bad it was. So on this side, those pins, they were super bad that one of them did not come out. It broke, it snapped on me, and therefore that means I have to replace, because there's no way I'm trying to extract that broken bolt. So I have to replace the whole brake caliper, which is this one right here. This is a new one. And like I said, the whole situation is not because the brake pads were bad. It's because when you press the brakes they hold the wheel, and once they hold the wheel, that wheel is not it causing a lot of friction, and therefore consuming extra fuel. So just wanted to show you guys that way you know when your vehicle, like when you're trying to take off and it's tough, like and then making that small squeak sound on the rear, that this could be the problem. Those pins right there, as you can see on the new one, they are already lubricated. That is the issue that cost me replacing the whole caliper, and at the same time, since I already take everything out, replace with the new brake pads. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. This is your man Jeff Cowboy. Continue following me, subscribe, that way you can continue getting more videos with helpful information like this one. Stay tuned.